Want to permanently remove your Instagram account in 2026? Follow these quick steps to delete it safely using the latest Account Center settings in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and signing into the account you want to delete. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Account Center, which contains settings related to your Meta accounts. Inside Account Center, scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap Personal Details. Then select Account Ownership and Control. This area contains options for managing your account, including deactivation and deletion. Tap Deactivation or Deletion, then choose the Instagram account you want to remove if you have multiple accounts linked. On the next screen, select Delete Account and tap Continue. Instagram will ask why you're deleting your account. Choose the reason that best matches your situation and continue. For security purposes, you'll be prompted to enter your account password again. After entering your password, review the information shown on the screen and follow the remaining prompts. Once confirmed, Instagram schedules your account for deletion. During the grace period, you can usually cancel the deletion by logging back into your account. If you don't sign in again before the deadline, your Instagram account and associated data will be permanently removed. Now your Instagram account is set for deletion. Just follow the steps correctly, wait for confirmation, and your account will be permanently removed from Instagram.